That done over there. I got all this done over here. Okay, so I'm back, and I knocked out the clips out of the floor. I didn't get that much done yesterday because I had to clean up and make some room. This is driving me crazy here with all the stuff that's in this room, and I can't put it anywhere else, so I have to move stuff around. But anyway, let me show you what I got done. So yesterday I put in the wire and I cleaned out all the crap that was all around, all the garbage. I moved stuff around. I set up my stations, and I got this tile down. I wanted to go further, but I was just working myself into a corner over here. So this morning I knocked out all the clips. I cleaned it up. I figured out, because I have to get the Ditra down, the Ditra Heat mat in that room there, but I need to make room first. So what I decided to do is I'm going to come back these 3 rows as far as I can over to here, fill all this in, go back this way as far as I can. That way tomorrow I can get this stuff out of here, because this is really killing me here. I can get this stuff out of here, put it on top of the tile, and then I can put my Ditra Heat mat down and then continue these rows through here. It's just driving me nuts. I don't know why they brought these doors up. I mean, they should have left them in the garage, but I can't take them down by myself. And there's actually no room in the garage because we've got 3 cars in the garage. So anyway, this is what I have to deal with. So I am going to just keep tiling over here. See all the stuff that I put in here? Those 2 boxes, I really didn't need those 2 boxes in here either. But anyway, let's keep going. Okay, so this is what I got done. I got that done over there. I got all this done over here. I can't go any further in that way because I need to get the Ditra Heat down. But first, before I get the Ditra Heat down, I need to get all that stuff out of there. And I can't get all that stuff out of there until this tile is set. So this is as far as I can go today, because I'm in a corner here. I got no room to work here. It was hard enough getting this in, so I can't go any further. So I guess that's it. It's around lunchtime, around 12 o'clock, and I'm gonna have to go home now because I can't do anything else. So another one of those days.